top right, blocker 65%. Man, where should I even start? Right, as you can see from the title of this video, this is the Forest 65, a board that I designed and built. Like every other top right blocker 65% keyboard, the characters on the top has a meaning. As the proud Taiwanese I am, I have one of the most popular last name in the country, which is Lin, or straight translation to forest in English. Hence the name of this keyboard, where it came from. It's all about me. Because as the narcissist fuck I am, I designed this keyboard based on two goals: cleanness and personality, as a custom keyboard. The typing angle is my favorite, 7.5 degree. The side profile is sharp and subtle. Although I kept saying it to 65%, it's more of a K-Mac Mini layout because of the two columns of function on the side. And the weight is inspired by my good friend Richard, 𝘍𝘖𝘙𝘌𝘚𝘛, linking back to the forest theme, or cursing in Mandarin, depending on how you interpret it. Right, about the build. The switches I'm using are Obsidian L from Full Street Studio, Lube with Krytox 105-205 mix, as the usual. And the columns were originally mounted with MND Honey tactile, Lube with Krytox 105, but I still cannot really stand tactiles, so I replaced them with the good old MX Cherry Blacks. Clack. The stabilizers are TX clip-in, treated with dielectric grease, and like the reviews, they are really good. After months of daily driving, there is no obvious rattle. I'm very impressed. And the plate is polycarbonate gasket mounted with 8 strips of 3mm pour-on foams. At last, I prepared those retro keycaps from Simple Studio as the cherry on top. No pun intended. I want to kill myself. After working on this board for a while, I have a lot to say, but if I really have to choose one, it would definitely be the PCB. Shout out to my man Eugene for all the technical supports. Without him, I don't think I can finish this keyboard that fast. Though, yeah, I procrastinated to make this video for a while. I got the board, basically done in October, and now it's like March or April or May, depending on when I send out the video. At least the recording time is March. I'm very sorry. As what I said in my UI60 WKL video, I wanted to draw and power a fully functional PCB, and I did it this time. I'm very proud. Even though I failed a few times, with some careless mistakes, wasted some time and money, I still successfully make a keyboard out of nothing, like an alchemist, modern version. And now I have this bussin' piece of art on my desk for me to appreciate every day. Hey, I'm proud of it. I don't think I have to repeat that again. And at least it feels like I'm learning from this irrational money draining buttonless hobby that I'm very invested into. Right. Hit the sun test. Also, does anyone know how to treat electronic waste in Tera? I really had to deal with those faulty PCBs. They're kind of taking space under my bed, and I don't even know if they're toxic or not.